Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get right to it. So today I am trying a new additive, one I haven't used anyway. I'm going to be using some WD40. Got a little bottle from the dollar store. So I've got three colors. I'm just doing a straight pour. I've got black, which has, well, they all have the PVA glue, but it's got alcohol. I've got blue, which has dish detergent. And I've got the white, which has the WD40. So let's go ahead and let's do a pour and we'll see what we get. Now the last time I experimented, I used, what was it? It was baby oil and some sort of a coconut oil based body lotion type thing. But it occurred to me I did it wrong because I should have only experimented with one at a time. Just change one variable in the experiment. So I should have did one painting with just the olive oil, or sorry, baby oil rather, and one with the lotion, coconut oil. Because depending on what you're looking for, you can't really be 100% certain which additive gave you which effect. I liked it overall, don't get me wrong, but I may have to try it again with just one new additive, one changed additive. So I'm just doing a typical sort of pour here. A lot of emphasis on the white, of course. That's the, well, potentially the star of the show. I guess it depends on how it turns out. Almost done here. Just a little bit of white left, so get all that on there. Alright, get that out of the way. Alright, I'm going to go and hit the fire to it. I remember this time to do it right away. I don't know if it picks up on the camera or not, but I can certainly see all the air bubbles popping as I go over it. And let's go ahead and get that moved around. Just get the last little bit here. Just that one last corner. Almost got it. And there we go. Alright. Let me just get the sides, the corners. do see a few small cells forming. But other than that, so far, I am really liking how this looks already. All right, so we're going to go ahead and give that, give that a good half hour. See what we get, and we shall be back. All right, so it's been about a half an hour. I do see a handful of very small cells have formed. So it looks like I wouldn't get much cell formation with the WD-40. I suspect if I did a swipe, that might have made a difference. I find with the swipe, you spread the paint a little thinner and you get pardon me, more cell formation that way. But that being said, I very much like how this turned out. I really like how it looks. Alright, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. I sure like doing it. If you did, throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the new painting comes out. And I will see you next time.